Version 0.0.6 has been released for the ec2-rundeck Terraform module on the Terraform registry. This video will summarize some of those changes. So it is here on GitHub. If we look at changelog, a fix for Terraform apply was indicating changes on a second Terraform apply. That no longer is happening. So Terraform apply, it's all happy and done, completes successfully. A second Terraform apply will show no drift. Added support for ec2 instance profile. You can add one or more ARNs, and those will be applied to the instance, so you can now access AWS resources from the rundeck host itself. Added support for a custom ec2 root volume size, and added support for encrypting the ec2 root volume via these variables. If we want to look at the changes, we can do that. Here's the commits. Who cares? Just a git ignore. I'm ignoring that thing. Added pre-commit config just for source repo. Makes it a little easier to not commit bad stuff. Updated Terraform docs. So recursively does Terraform docs. Changelog, we just look at that. README. Only add the required module parameters and then just put in optionals here. So volume, these are the options, and these are the defaults. And then here is the IAM policy ARNs. So it can be the AWS managed ones like AWS read-only access for S3, or you can specify your own policy and pass in that ARN. Or list as many as you want. I don't care about that. Deleted that, doesn't matter. Examples doesn't need a provider, that's defined in the root module. Just push this below that, so I made the module the first declaration in the example. And we saw that already. There's a provider. And here is the IAM policy for rundeck as in the example. It's commented out, but you can uncomment, adjust this, uncomment this, and pass it in. And it'll attach that policy. Header, Terradoc stuff. And then use instance profile, either true or false, based on what you pass in to the variable. And this was the fix for the Terraform apply. I had the wrong declaration there. Encrypted volume size. And then here it'll create, if it's passed in, instance profile. Same with the instance role. And then attaching the policies to the role. And then the variables. So that's pretty much the diff for the tag.